This guy lost his cap. The end. Those are not 150 meters.
No.
Truly old men eat this fish like this.
With a bag?
No, I mean a big one.
This is a promotion for the city of Wrocław. I came here, this is the third time. The first two times were always cloudy, typical Polish weather. So cloudy, grey, rainy shit. But today and this week looks, it's gonna be amazing. And it is amazing. So we are in Breslau, also known as Wrocław, and Germans really hold on this beautiful city. We've been here, you already met Diet, Ola, of course. And Polish go fucking mad because it's still Breslau for Germans, which in fact is Wrocław. But some wars never stop. War never change. It's always beautiful coming to Wrocław. We are trying Żurek. What's Żurek about? Yeah, do you know some history about this?
It's made with all products available in your refrigerator, like sausage, eggs.
Show the subscribers.
Show the consistency. So it's not sausage, it's wurstel. In Italy, wurstel is like the disgusting sausage. That's what.
Interesting.
Okay. It's very good. We are ready for the adventure. Should I enter with you?
No. It's
You look like a pirate.
Okay, let's go. Let's go there. Big sport, man. Who's that guy? Ready. Has been a very good swim, and now it's shower time. It was very fun after a long time having a swim in the pool. It was fucking long time that I didn't go in a normal pool, but we are here in the company. I wanted to show you this of Marek Petrusevich, which I did a little bit of exploration online, and I found out this guy won the silver medal in the Olympics of 1954, and he was from Wrocław. So this guy used to compete in this pool, and then he won the silver medal in 1954. So they put it here. That's his memorial. After this nice workout, we will see what to do next. Here we have another monument to Marek Petrusevich. World record?
Yeah, in 100 meters distance.
Wikipedia didn't say it.
In 1953.
Okay.
Give full explanation from local expert.
Yeah, this is always the best guide. Better than Wikipedia. How old it is? I don't know, 50 years maybe.
Soviet mosaic.
Soviet mosaic. Beautiful. And then we exit. Very ancient tree. And another beautiful building here in Wrocław that never stop to surprise you. Another adventure in the Polski post office. How is that? Polish post office. That was fast, there is not even line.
Pani chciała złożyć pełnomocnictwo na mnie do odbioru wszystkich korespondencji i przesyłek. Czy to mogę zrobić?
I go. I have the car that is blocking the road. It seems all fine.
Yo!
What are you cooking, Genia?
Okay, vibes.
It's named Shashlick.
Shashlick?
Yes.
What is that? That salami, brown salami.
Yeah, it's
Just for Italians.
breast.
Yes.
Shashlick. But it's pork?
Yeah.
It's pork,
You marinated stuff here?
but for sportsmen I have prepared
This is that one.
based
Okay.
chicken, like him.
Sardines, but it's just smashed and it's
Sardines smashed, but I have to take off the bones,
Yes,
right?
yes. Like
Show me how to eat it.
Okay.
you need to remove
Okay.
skin
And
and bones.
Fucking hell.
Fine.
Okay, like this.
Yeah.
And what fish is this? Sardines.
No, not
But
this.
no, it does.
Fucking hell.
It's for beer.
It's good. The before mat of a Ukrainian Slavic barbecue.
Truly,
What you have there, Dad?
truly old men eat this fish like this.
With the bag?
But
No, I mean big one.
show inside. Yeah.
But it's all dried?
Yeah. It's the same story,
fucking-
but it's just
Same story,
big
but
Why
one.
do you accidentally have it in the trunk?
It's not accident.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
It's all dry and you eat this whole fish by yourself?
yeah.
For breakfast.
Usually.
Работай, работай, дед.
Я ж не дышал все это время.
I'm gonna scream and shout and let it all out.
Oh, it's fun with the knife. What is this coming from? It's Ukrainian?
From Good Life.
So just ketchup and meat?
Yeah.
Also the greens? How?
Just eat, yeah. You don't need to gourmet it.
Oh,
Just eat like
I
that.
will eat gourmet. Да, я говорю по-русски сейчас.
There is certainly a part of me inside of this meat, but you should to encrypt this by yourself. You should just share some
So this is
presumptions.
What's called again?
Shashlick.
Shashlick.
And the sport is called champur.
This is
Shashlick on champur.
creamy shashlik from Eugene.
The last word is Shashlick.
Yeah. Ooh, brother.
Shashlick. Okay.
Yeah.
How many
it's
pieces
like
of
that,
meat you
baby.
put? Ah, okay.
Yeah.
You don't press it.
You're not like abuser or something like that. You just make her decide by yourself.
Okay.
So something to do for Slavic men while they do shashliki is just to look in front of them. And it has to be like individual activity, not together. As you can see, like two individuals were looking.
At the river. Change of music. Fun fact by Ola. I'm in the search for some mandragoras. You know, it's the name of the plant.
Mandragora.
Mandragora. Incoming storm. Hopefully a thunder is not gonna kill us. Organic parking, it's fucking raining. Oh my god. Run, dude, run! Fucking hell. We're in the middle of a storm. This is worth it. This is worth it. Fuck, this guy lost his cap. Yes! Those are not 150 meters!
No!
I'm all okay, Dad brought us in this fancy place.
Oh, it's his favorite
Stuff.
restaurant.
Well, we made it. We go in a restaurant? Yeah. We are at this fancy place. Having a break.
Here with you.
This is the place.
With me? Now stopped raining, but it was cold, grey, and this tea makes everything better. To finish this amazing Sunday, we're having pizza, of course, to the camera. It's Sunday, started raining as you've seen. We ordered pizza in,
Featuring Tiela sound.
picturing Tiela sound. And the office. And life is great. Pizza on Sunday evening is what every human being should need to have a happy life. Bon appetit.